Hey, Warhawk 9000 here to show you the Thompson M1A1 military style by SEMA, licensed by Cybergun. So here it is, the box, and here it shows you everything it comes with and the features of the gun. That is true, but using a .12 gram baby, which I wouldn't recommend. Yeah, by using a .2 gram baby or heavier, that would drop. So yeah, let's open it. When you open it, the box, this is how it'll look. It comes with the cleaning and unjamming rod, a standard wall charger, a sling, the 8.4 1100 milliamp battery, and a 380 high cap magazine, metal, and the gun. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Get this out of the way. Alright, the gun. The gun is metal. All metal except for the artificial wood, which is plastic. The gun has a safety in fire mode, which clicks, has a good click to it. The selective fire is right here for full and single. The magazine on release is right here. Because once you put the magazine in, pull this up and allow you to pull out the magazine. On the other side of the gun is the charging handle, which does nothing. It's just there for cosmetic work. When you pull it back, you can see the gearbox. The hop up on this gun is right here. It's really easy. It's this wheel, just pull up or down. This gun has unique trademarks, like on the top here you'll see the Thompson logos. The back says US property. On the left hand side you'll see Thompson submachine gun, caliber 6mm. I don't know if that's a unique serial number, but if you do, please tell me. On the other side you'll see Auto Ordnance Corporation, Worcester, Massachusetts, USA. Okay. The gun shoots at around 360 feet per second with a .2 gram BB. The battery is housed on the back of the gun, on the stock, which can be accessed by pulling this tab out and pulling this whole plate out, revealing the wires. The sights on this gun are adjustable too. This tab here can be moved left or right. And yeah, so that's the review of the Thompson. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.